Welcome back, everyone. May, a month that you've been preparing for, has finally arrived. The last few months have been about constantly struggling with change or being confused about important decisions in your life that you need to look into, that you need to make. You know that there is a change coming and you're still trying to figure that out. Well, now that May is here, the change is finally going to start manifesting in your life in the real worldly way. This month of new beginnings, new business projects, new jobs, new life direction, and for many of you, a major transformation that you may feel within yourself as a person that you've been preparing for is all starting now. For many people, this will end what you've been dragging the last couple of months or even years. It will suddenly bring a new beginning that you were hoping for and waiting for, or working towards for a very long time. Indeed, the most powerful month of 2025, and it will transform your life in a new phase altogether. With the nodes moving, Jupiter moving, and Jupiter getting into a very unique astronomical speed, which in Vedic astrology we call Tivra Gati or Atichari. Indeed, this month is going to bring sudden, powerful changes across the world, across the globe, in the financial market, as well as in your life. There are stock market predictions at the end of this video for those of you who are waiting for that is available. So let's go into this powerful month and see what is it that it is bringing personally for you. And before I start, as always, I would like to thank my spiritual gurus and my Jyotish gurus for always guiding me. I'm truly grateful. Remember, if I mention a particular sign, it's for your sun sign and your moon sign. If you want personal predictions for your sun and moon, you can subscribe to me in the app or on the website of AstroKan. The first few days of May are creating a lot of confusion for many of you. You're feeling confused in which direction you should head. There can also be some issues around communication, tech problems, mistakes, miscommunication. You're not understanding where your bosses are trying to lead you, or your subordinates are having issues with you, or your team members, there is some lack of sync. There may be confusion, there may be conflict around. Many of you are still trying to structure your finances better and you're struggling with delays. You're waiting for that money to come in. The good news is all of this will start resolving from the 7th of May onwards. Clarity comes in, confusion leaves, and communication improves. And around technology, whatever issues, whatever delays you've been waiting will also start getting resolved. The time between the 14th and the 21st of May is a very potent and a crucial time for everyone and for the world in general. Globally, some very powerful alliances will get formed to curb terrorism, and some new policies will be announced. This is also a time which is bringing new opportunities, almost like a new chapter in your life or a new life for many of you. Many of you start new projects around this time. You're also leaving old equations that are making you unhappy and moving towards newer things. There will be major powerful changes in the political scenario and governments across the world in many countries. Some powerful new global policies around technology will be announced around this time. The new alliances formed during this time and the policies that will be announced around technology is going to have a long-term impact on global trade and technology. As the month comes to an end, there can be some major disruptions to communication and finance. For you in your personal relationship, this is a time to be careful in how you communicate with your partners, as well as your colleagues and other important relationships around you. Many of you may feel sort of a domination at work. Those of you who are led by bosses, or you may feel a lack of freedom, or you may feel that you're losing your essence. You have to follow too many instructions. However, careful communication will help you resolve things. And this phase of you feeling dominated is only temporary, so be a little patient during this time. It will pass in a couple of days. The signs which will be most affected around this time are Gemini and Virgo, along with Pisces and Aquarius, Leo, Cancer. May will feel challenging because it's bringing too many changes emotionally, internally, in the physical environment around you, in your work professionally, financially. Too many things are going to change. You need to be open to the change. You need to be adapting and you need to welcome the new. This month is about adjusting with your new self and moving forward, getting used to the new stuff. Too many sudden changes will happen for most people. May is coming to you like a flood of water. Flow with it. Be open to learning. Be open to change because that's what you're required to do. Take the opportunities of growth and learning because that's what we are meant to do. Have a great month. Let's look into stock predictions for the month of May. I've had a lot of people asking me, what about war predictions? The war is inevitable. Finally, the war is already on and finally we'll reach a point where it will become global, it will become massive. That is something that is inevitable. Is it starting right now? I'm not intentionally giving out war predictions at this moment because I feel it's a very sensitive time. But I promise you, I will give you detailed, clear outline of the war prediction when I feel it is the appropriate time. For now, it's better you focus on the new changes coming in your life. Focus on you, prepare for the changes and stay positive and move ahead. Allow the changes to come into your life at every level. This is all that I have for you for the month of May. I'll be back with predictions in June. Till then, take care and have a great month ahead. Of course, there's a huge volatility and major correction which I had predicted in the previous months that we have been dealing with in the last couple of weeks. I had advised a couple of people to invest in gold and I'm sure you're happy because gold prices have hit the roof. But this is what you need to note carefully now. There is going to be a correction in gold prices now. There is going to be some volatility. So you have to watch out. You have to take your call accordingly. So watch carefully as I predict financial predictions for May 2025. The current slump will start seeing stability and a slightly upper trend post the 7th of May. However, this month will be volatile as you will see sudden growth and corrections across many sectors in a very unpredictable, undefined way. The trends will not follow as you thought they would. You will see a correction in gold and trading commodities in the middle of the month. Gold prices will see a correction as you get past the 14th of May. There will be volatility. Due to some very important, powerful trade alliances, government policies and tech announcements, the market will be heavily impacted. In the last few days of May, there will be a huge shift as some stocks will unexpectedly see a sudden rise and others will hit a low. Banking and finance sector, cryptocurrency will see a fall. Some particular tech stocks are going to suddenly hit a high. The large cap segment will also start seeing stability and start moving towards growth. Basically, the last few days of May is going to really transform the market. It's a very powerful month for the stock market, for economy globally, for the world in general. It's a month where you really need to apply in-depth study of the market as the market is going to behave in a very unpredictable way. Spend time studying carefully and apply your knowledge. Don't gamble with your money. Remember, predictions are only a general guidelines. It's a month that will give you opportunities to suddenly make money if you're observant and study in depth. So a very powerful month of May hitting you. It will transform all our lives.